Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving your favorite dish, your favorite drinks and tea, all kind of stuff, guys. We just keep giving you a recipe. But you know what, and we're gonna go straight to that point, which we want to tell you exactly what's going on in Chef Ricardo kitchen today. Anyway, a lot of people keep asking me, Ricardo, I need you to give us some ideas of how to lose weight, how to be healthy, how to be eating healthy, how to detox their body. So these are one of my next level which I'm taking my YouTube channel also too, because I'm doing a lot of research and how you can eat healthy and looking healthy and be healthy. Right now, this is one of the biggest thing in the world today. A lot of people want to be healthy, and a lot of people want to stop smoke, a lot of people want to stop drink, and a lot of people want to stop eat fat meat and all these things, because I know that people been sending to me all kind of message. I read the message and I tell you something, guys, it's one of the biggest thing ever right now in this world is people want to be healthy. Anyway, I have a simple recipe which I want to share with you. Hopefully you can, basically you can do your own research on it and see what you definitely think about cinnamon and honey, which is really, really something totally different. A lot of people use it, you can do a research for yourself, but I did a research and I did a sample from it. And to be honest, guys, cinnamon and honey do works really well. So hopefully you will try the recipe, and when you try it, you can come back to that same video, leave your comments, make others who didn't try it can see exactly what I am talking about. But you want to detox your body. This is another way also you can detox your body by using cinnamon and honey with a little bit of boiling water, lukewarm water, and put it in your fridge for it to chill and drink it in the morning before you go to work. You can do that the first thing in the morning. If you want to do it for the week, it's up to you. You can mix a big potion, bring it to work, and have it into a bottle and drink it during work period at work. But we're gonna do the recipe and hopefully we like it. And remember, as I say, you can do your own research. And cinnamon and honey, I'm telling you, cinnamon is very good for you. It's clear your system, and also, to be honest, it just make your system just feel fresh and renewing. And you know what I mean, it is the detox your body is very important. So give it a try. Why don't give it a try? You need to try something different. All of us have different body. Your body might don't take honey, one person's body takes cinnamon, one person's body take ginger. So we come in with all different kind of recipe which is good for each individual. So if you know your body can take lemon and honey, you try that one and it goes really well with you. You can do that for a month, 3 days, 4 days, and see what's the difference. For me, when I'm at work, I mix a big bottle and drink it during the work period when I'm at work, because the time is hot. So guys, this is my topic for today. We're gonna do a simple detox body of cinnamon and honey. So hopefully you will like the recipe. Subscribe the channel, leave your comments, and get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon. A lot of people who have big stomach and want to get that flat stomach, as I said before, you have to try something. You don't need to do any, go to any needle, any operation. You can go natural and lose weight natural. You can do exercise, you can do so many things and lose weight. So hopefully my ideas will be a benefit to someone. We're gonna watch my YouTube channel and share it to someone, guys. It's good to share things. If it doesn't share, people doesn't know. You got a friend, you got your neighbor, you got your cousin, you got your sister. Tell them that, you see a recipe, you can try it. A lot of people want to be healthy and a lot of people want to get fit. So let's go into business with the recipe and let's talk it. Anyway, this is the way it goes. So do your own research on cinnamon and honey and tell me what you think also. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and this can be a benefit to you. Nice and lovely. So as I said before, guys, you're going to see a lot of my recipe about detoxing your body, how to get a flat tummy, how to be healthy, and how to eat healthy and, you know what I mean, less sugar, less, you know what I mean, less carb and all these things, you know what I mean, and try and eat a lot of fresh veg, which is very good for you. Sometimes it's just good to just go natural, guys, and don't need to do an operation on a laser or, you know what I mean, taking a needle, taking a tablet. It's good to just go natural. You're born natural. Why don't go natural? You know what I mean? If you have some weight and you want to lose your weight, guys, this is where Chef Ricardo come. And to fill that gap, I should have a buckler on it, but my honey goes down, but I didn't recognize. But anyway, today we want to say, basically, this is a cinnamon right here. This is the one which already grated and came in the buckler. You can get this one at any local shop, supermarket. Simple, I want to simply say to you, this is the other one, like the stick. If you want to use the stick one, you can just put it inside of the hot water and pour your water on it. If you want to use the powder one, it's fine. It's up to you, it's optional wise, and you can use whatever you like and where you feel comfortable with at home. So basically, you can use any one of them, guys. Don't be shy and say, you know what, I saw Chef Ricardo use this one, I'm going to do that one. No. You can use the one where you like to use. All you need to do is to draw it like a tea. Simple. Pour it into a container, pop it in your fridge for the next day, and you can drink it. So that's another way, or you can detox your body. So simple. Let's go into business, and I'm going to show you two kind of way, or you can do it. This way, you can put a piece of a cinnamon inside of a glass, like a container like this. I'll just break it. Pour some hot water on it like this. After you do that, leave that for 15 minutes. This one can simple put a pinch of cinnamon, roughly quarter teaspoon of cinnamon inside of it, and also some honey. Just a spoon of honey, and pour some hot water inside of the glass. Give it a sweet. So it's two types. You got the stick one and you got the powder one. The stick one, what you need to do, you need to strain it. Make sure you got a strainer for that one. So let's give it a taste to see how sweet it is. No, that is perfect. Nice and lovely. So right there, as you can see, guys, I'm just giving you different kind of ideas and ways how you can detox your body. And as I said, there's a lot of recipe gonna be coming on my YouTube channel about eating healthy and detoxing your body and all these things. Basically, because the water is still a little bit warm. So what I normally do, if I'm gonna drink this one, I just pop a 2 pieces of ice inside of it, just to make it chill longer very quickly. And then I would just drink this one. Really nice, cool down very quickly too, with the ice. So enjoy the recipe, guys, and as I say, you can do your own research about honey and cinnamon and how to detox your body, getting ready for summer. This is where Chef Ricardo fill those gaps for some of the ladies who want to have that flat tummy, being healthy, looking really nice. Check out Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. We have a lot more recipe coming out for you, and look out for the event which is going to take in place in Caribbean very soon about giving away waters and detoxing your body. We have an event coming up very soon, and we're going to need volunteer. So if you listen to the video, you can give us a call on 079 44808 765. So guys, thank you so much, and hopefully to see you next time. Bye bye.